The widely acclaimed Legatia series is Hybrid Audio Technology's Stage 5 product line. Hybrid Audio's original product offered starting in 2006 and competition-proven worldwide, the product that defined the company and its quality. Legatia is a truly high-end approach to in-car sound quality and acoustical performance. Irrespective of price, Legatia components are the finest car audio speakers available and are eclipsed only by Hybrid Audio's Stage 6 Special Edition series. In fact, Talk Audio magazine UK named the Legatia series state-of-the-art. Legatia was the first component speaker brand to ever achieve this distinction. Legatia products are sold in a la carte speaker pairs or as component sets, allowing the end user to design a custom bespoke system of Legatia products, or a combination of Legatia and other Hybrid Audio Technologies product offerings. A multitude of possible 2-, 3-, and 4-way systems can be assembled using Legatia products. Legatia drivers are sensitive and perform well under high power conditions, and the Legatia design allows for extended, high-amplitude listening sessions. Legatia products work well in a variety of low to high power applications, including head unit power to large outboard amplification. And with a wide variety of Legatia products in many common sizes, there is virtually limitless application in any vehicle. The Legatia range contains a high-resonance tweeter offering, the Legatia L1 V2, 2 wide bandwidth mid-range offerings, the Legatia L3 V2 and Legatia L4, and 2 wide bandwidth mid-bass offerings, the Legatia L6 V2 and Legatia L8 V2. The Legatia L1 V2 is a compact high-resolution 20mm soft dome tweeter driver, which includes an impregnated fine silk cloth dome diaphragm for a linear tonal character, with a treated silk surround to damp edge modes and resonances. The L1 V2 is efficient, exhibits low distortion, and has a wide dispersion. The dome is of extremely low mass and is much less susceptible to mechanical deformation than other designs, and yet yields a smooth response over the extent of its range. The Legatia L3 V2 and Legatia L4 are wide bandwidth mid-range and full-range drivers in a 3.7-inch and 4.65-inch outside diameter format, respectively. Both the Legatia L3 V2 and the L4 offer an astounding extended frequency response. The usable frequency range of the Legatia wide bandwidth point source drivers exceeds 7 full octaves, and in many installations can be used without a tweeter for accurate, phase-coherent point-sourced music reproduction. The Legatia L6 V2 and Legatia L8 V2 are wide bandwidth mid-range and mid-bass drivers in a 7.1-inch and 8.85-inch outside diameter format, respectively. Both the Legatia L6 V2 and L8 V2 offer an outstanding extended frequency response, and like the smaller diameter L3 V2 and L4 full-range drivers, both the L6 V2 and L8 V2 offer incredibly wide bandwidth for use as a dedicated mid-bass or as a mid-bass mid-range. Hybrid Audio Technologies offers 2 options for vertically biamplified passive crossover networks, the 2-way Legatia L2X and the 3-way Legatia L3X. The Legatia passive crossover networks incorporate asymmetrically arranged, super high-quality and low-tolerance metallized polypropylene film capacitors, air core inductors, a Mylar PTC, and low-tolerance non-inductive resistors. No output level switches or jumper pins were used in the passive crossover design because switches and jumpers add a resistive effect and are typically of extremely low quality. Rather, all tweeter level adjustments are done on the board level with dedicated non-inductive resistors. On the L3X, mid-range attenuation is also an option in addition to 3 levels of tweeter amplitude adjustment. The components selected are complementary and ensure no appreciable signal degradation between the input and output side of the crossovers. Likewise, the capacitors and inductors are arranged on the board to reduce the coupling between circuits and electromagnetic interference by basic physical separation, while still keeping the footprint size of the circuit board small. The Legatia L2X and L3X are exceptional quality, no-compromise passive crossover devices that can be used with any hybrid audio speaker system to accommodate any number of different bespoke system designs. Legatia designs differ considerably from other products in its price range. Only Legatia products boast super wide bandwidth operation for installation, setup, and tuning flexibility, ensuring point source tonality and phase coherent imaging and staging. Legatia mid-range and mid-bass offerings incorporate proprietary blend diaphragms that exhibit virtually negligible cone breakup, exceptionally low moving mass, optimization of the total inductance profile, and extremely low distortion motor topologies ensure class-leading performance and reference quality impulse response, transient response, and polar response. The result of Legatia's development is affirmation to Hybrid Audio's unwavering commitment to incomparable performance at any level. Legatia is available internationally at the finest specialty car audio shops. Hybrid Audio Technologies believes in the enduring value of our product, and we offer guaranteed lifetime value in the USA for Legatia, a guarantee you won't find from any other brand. When installed and set up properly, Legatia offers a remarkable improvement in sound quality in any audio system and will give years of superior performance.